The only slates I got made right now, this is a purple slate over glass in a wormy chestnut pot. Easy calls a run. Then I got a butternut. This is gray slate over glass. That's that one. I got a, this is some type of burl wood, exotic wood, I forget what it is. But it's green slate, kind of a green slate, purple slate mix. It's over glass. And this here's a black walnut, little figure to it. This is black slate over glass.